everyone. I'm Jason, and we're so happy you're here today. Whether you're listening at home, on the bus, walking outside, or taking a short break, thank you for spending a few minutes with us. We hope you're feeling great and ready to practice your English in a fun and relaxed way. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need to keep practicing a little every day.
That's right. Hello, my wonderful English learners. I'm Julia, and today we have an exciting topic that can completely change the way you learn to speak English. Are you ready? Today's topic is train your mouth, not your mind.
Wow, that sounds interesting, doesn't it? Many English learners spend too much time thinking, translating, and worrying before they speak. But today, we're going to learn a much easier and smarter way. Instead of training only your mind, you'll learn how to train your mouth to speak English more naturally and more confidently.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to make mistakes today. Open your mouth, speak with us, have fun, and enjoy the conversation. Let's get started.
Let's imagine a situation that happens to many English learners. You're at a coffee shop, and the person at the counter smiles and asks, "Hi, what would you like to order today?" You know the answer in your mind. You want to say, "I'd like a cup of coffee, please." But instead of speaking, your brain starts working too hard. You begin translating every word from your first language into English. Suddenly, you become nervous and nothing comes out. Has that ever happened to you?
I think almost every English learner has experienced that moment. Your mind says, wait, is this grammar correct? Should I use want or would like? Did I pronounce that word correctly? While your brain is busy asking all these questions, the other person is still waiting for your answer. Oh no!
But here's the good news. Today, we're going to change that habit. Instead of waiting for your mind to find the perfect sentence, we'll train your mouth to speak simple English automatically. The more your mouth practices real English, the faster and more naturally the words will come. So, relax, speak with us, and let's start building real speaking confidence together. All right, Julia. Let's help our listeners understand today's idea with a real conversation. Imagine you're learning English, and every time you want to speak, you stop for 10 or 15 seconds because you're thinking too much. What would you do?
That used to happen to me all the time. I wanted every sentence to be perfect. Before I spoke, I asked myself, is this grammar correct? Am I using the right tense? What if I make a mistake? By the time I was ready to speak, the conversation had already moved on.
Exactly. That's a very common problem. Many English learners think they need a perfect sentence before they open their mouths. But real conversations don't work like that. Native speakers don't stop and think about every grammar rule. They speak because their mouths have practiced the language many times.
So you're saying that speaking English is like learning a sport?
Yes, that's a perfect example. Think about riding a bicycle. The first time you think about everything. Where should I put my feet? How do I balance? What if I fall? But after enough practice, you don't think anymore. Your body just knows what to do.
Wow! So speaking English can become like riding a bicycle?
Absolutely! The more your mouth says simple English sentences, the easier speaking becomes. Your mouth begins to remember the sounds, the rhythm, and the common expressions.
Let's try something together. I'll think too much first. I want to say good morning. But wait, should I say good morning, hello, or hi? Is my pronunciation okay? Should I smile? Oh no, maybe I should stay quiet instead.
That's exactly what many learners do. They create a big conversation inside their heads before saying one simple sentence.
Now let's do it the easy way. Good morning. That's it. Short, simple, and natural.
Perfect! Speaking doesn't have to be difficult. Start with easy sentences. Say them again and again until they feel natural. For example, I'm happy today. I need some water. Can you help me? Where is the station? I don't understand. These are short sentences, but they are very useful in everyday life.
And don't just read them with your eyes. Open your mouth and say them aloud. Speak in your room, speak while you're walking, speak while you're cooking, or even speak in front of a mirror. Your mouth becomes stronger every time you practice.
That's a wonderful tip. Many learners spend 1 hour reading English, but only 2 or 3 minutes speaking it. If you really want to become a confident speaker, give your mouth more practice than your mind.
Sometimes learners say, I'm afraid of making mistakes. What should they do?
I would tell them this: mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake teaches you something new. If you wait until you're perfect, you may never start speaking. But if you speak today, even with a few mistakes, you become better tomorrow.
I love that! Here's another fun idea. Choose 5 simple English sentences every morning. Repeat each sentence 10 times. Don't rush. Speak clearly. Listen to your own voice. After a few weeks, you'll notice something amazing. Your mouth will begin speaking those sentences automatically.
Yes, that's the secret. Don't train your mind to remember thousands of grammar rules before speaking. Train your mouth to produce simple English every single day. Small daily practice creates big improvement.
So, everyone listening right now, here's today's message. Stop waiting for perfect English. Start speaking with simple English. Your confidence grows every time your mouth moves.
Exactly. Remember today's powerful sentence: train your mouth, not your mind. Say it with us one more time. Train your mouth, not your mind. Great job, everyone! Before we continue, let's learn a few important words and phrases from today's conversation. These are simple, useful, and perfect for everyday English.
Our first phrase is train your mouth. It doesn't mean exercising your mouth at the gym. It means practicing speaking English again and again until speaking feels easy and natural.
Our second word is automatically. This means doing something naturally, without thinking too much. For example, after a lot of practice, you can say, "Good morning," automatically, just like saying your own name.
The next word is confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself and speaking without too much fear. You don't need perfect English to be confident. You only need the courage to keep speaking.
And our final phrase is make mistakes. Many learners think mistakes are bad, but they're actually a normal part of learning. Every mistake is a chance to improve your English. So don't hide from mistakes. Learn from them.
Excellent! Try using these 4 expressions today. Train your mouth, automatically, confidence, and make mistakes. The more you use them, the more natural your English will become. Keep practicing. You're doing an amazing job.
Okay, everyone. It's time for a quick role play. Imagine we're meeting for the first time at an English club. Listen first, and then repeat after us.
Hi, my name is Julia. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Julia. I'm Jason. Nice to meet you, too.
Do you speak English every day?
Yes, I practice a little every day. I don't wait for perfect English. I just open my mouth and speak.
Julia. That's the spirit. Every day, a little practice makes you a better speaker.
Wonderful. Now it's your turn. Say the conversation out loud with us. Remember, don't think too much. Train your mouth, not your mind. Awesome job, everyone. Now it's time for our quick speaking challenge. Don't just listen. Speak out loud with us. Ready? Here we go.
Repeat after me, nice and clearly. I speak English every day. I am not afraid of making mistakes. I train my mouth by speaking. Every day, I become more confident.
Fantastic! If you repeated every sentence, give yourself a big smile. Keep doing this challenge every day and you'll notice something amazing. Your mouth will start speaking English more naturally, more smoothly, and with greater confidence. Great job! Keep going! Wow! We made it to the end of today's episode. Give yourself a big round of applause. Seriously, if you listened carefully, repeated the sentences, and spoke out loud with us today, you have already taken one more step toward becoming a confident English speaker. Every small practice session matters. And today you did something wonderful for your English.
That's right. And remember, your mouth doesn't care if your grammar is perfect. Your mouth only wants one thing: practice. So don't let your brain stop you by saying, "Wait, maybe later," or "I'm not ready yet." If you keep waiting for the perfect moment, you'll be waiting forever.
Exactly! The perfect time to practice English is today. Not tomorrow, not next week, right now. Even if you know only a few English words, use them. Say them out loud. Repeat them again and again. Every sentence you speak makes your English stronger.
Here's a fun little challenge for you after this podcast. Look around your room and say 5 sentences in English. For example, this is my chair. My phone is on the table. I have a bottle of water. The window is open. I am learning English. See? They're simple sentences, but they help your mouth become more comfortable with speaking English every single day.
And don't worry if you make mistakes. Every fluent English speaker made thousands of mistakes before they became confident. Mistakes are not the end of your journey. They're part of your journey. So smile, learn, and keep speaking.
Wow! Imagine yourself 6 months from now. You open your mouth, and English comes out naturally. You understand more, you speak faster, and you feel more confident. That future starts with the small practice you do today.
So before we finish, let's say today's powerful sentence together one last time. Ready? Train your mouth, not your mind.
One more time. But louder. Train your mouth, not your mind.
Beautiful. Keep that sentence in your heart every day. Whenever you feel nervous, remember that speaking is a skill, and every skill improves with practice.
Now we'd love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments, what English sentence did you practice today? Or write today's magic sentence. I train my mouth, not my mind. We'll be reading your comments, and we can't wait to see your amazing progress.
If today's episode helped you even a little, please give this video a big like. It really helps our channel reach more English learners around the world.
And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode of the English Learning Podcast. We upload new, beginner-friendly English lessons regularly to help you improve your speaking, listening, vocabulary, pronunciation, and confidence in a fun and easy way.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We truly appreciate every one of you. Keep believing in yourself, keep practicing every day, and never give up. Your English gets better every time you open your mouth and speak.
Take care, stay happy, keep speaking English every single day. And remember,
Keep learning, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode of the English Learning Podcast. Goodbye, everyone.